Crap.
He's a naturalist who's published over a dozen scientific papers on the subject and has been involved with field work here in the Scottish Highlands for
Oh my
over
god.
45 years.
I escaped it finally.
Since 1973, he's been part of nearly every major expedition to find the monster and has dedicated his life to solving the mystery.
Made it 2.